Here you are, the LG G2 Mini. So now we are going to see what's in the box and have a look to the user interface. We open the package and we will find the LG G2 Mini itself. Alright, and inside the box we get the papers, including the user guide. Alright, we have a battery, you can replace it. This is a 2440 milliamperes battery capacity. In the package we get also the charger. Let's have a look to the specs of this charger. It's not very powerful, as you can see. And inside the package we get also the USB cable, micro USB connection and the standard USB connection. And we also get a headset, but in this time we get a simple headset made of plastic. It's not the same headset we get in the LG G2. And in the cord we will find the microphone and a simple button to answer calls. So go on and let's have a look to the design of this LG G2 Mini. We take it out the plastic protection. We have the earpiece, the sensors, we have the frontal camera. We won't get the buttons to control the operating system outside the screen, so I suppose when switching on the device we will see the buttons included in the user interface. In the left side we won't see any connection or button. In the bottom side we will see the micro USB connection and dual speakers. In the right side we won't see anything, and in the upper side we will see the jack audio for the headset, a second microphone and the infrared port to control a TV, a DVD player with the smartphone. In the back side of this LG G2 Mini we will find the buttons, the volume sound buttons, the central button, the camera and the flashlight for the camera. And the back cover is made of plastic. It will not be easy to scratch. Let's take the back cover out and we will see the space for the battery, and we will see the space for a micro SIM and also a micro SD. So differences from the LG G2. In this case we can expand the memory with a micro SD memory card. Let's switch on the device with the battery. We will press the central button and wait for the operating system. Okay, let's start and select English. You can see the buttons to interact with the operating system. No mobile network at the moment. Okay. 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 Skip. Next. And done. And here you are, the home screen of the LG G2 Mini, with many screens to add shortcuts and also widgets. With this gesture we can add or remove screens. If we press for a while, we will see this screen that let us include the apps, the widgets, and of course we can set up a new wallpaper, one included by LG or one wallpaper with an image we have taken with the device. If we slide down, we will get this menu to control the connections, NFC, wireless Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, the screen rotation, and of course we have the quick memo function that let us take screenshots. We can also adjust the brightness of the screen and the volume of the ringtone, notifications, music, video and games, and others. We can also access to the settings. We have many screens with the different settings, network, sounds, display and general settings. If we go to storage, we will see that the available space for photos, video, and other files is only 3.87 gigabytes. But we can have a micro SD card to expand the memory, the storage. Let's have a look to the apps menu. We have many screens available and we can set up the order of the icons. We can join some apps in a folder, and we can also change the order by alphabetical order, downloaded date or user customized. The user interface of the LG G2 Mini lets us show small icons, and then we will get more icons in a simple screen. And we can also hide and show apps. If we don't use Google Finder, if we don't use Downloads, if we don't use Cell Broadcast, we can hide them, and then we will see only that apps that we are using frequently. Let's have a look to the user interface of the camera. The typical user interface of LG. We can set the brightness, the focus, arrange the image size, color effect, white balance, the ISO, different modes, dynamic tone, normal, panorama, and we can enable or disable the flash. Let's have a look to the response of the camera feature with no flash. Quite fast, as I can see, no problem. Okay, this is all for now, and you can wait for the review I will post in the next 5 days.